today's video, we return to FTC substantiation rules and talk about the dilemma substantiation causes for dietary supplement and cosmetics companies, as well as how to break through. I'm Michael H. Cohen, founding attorney for the Cohen Healthcare Law Group. We've advised hundreds of healthcare industry clients on healthcare and FDA legal issues, including many companies with medical devices, dietary supplements, cosmetics, and OTC drugs. We've counseled companies on how to position their marketing claims so as to mitigate the risk of FDA and FTC enforcement, and we've counseled them when they've run afoul of FDA and FTC rules. As we've said, when it comes to compliance with legal advertising rules, dietary supplement, cosmetics, and marketing companies face a dilemma. The more aggressive the marketing, the bigger the likely compliance challenges, and the stricter the compliance, the less effective the marketing. Today we'll discuss three things. 1, the notion of 100% compliance. 2, the scope of enforcement and its consequences. 3, some high danger claims. First, the notion of 100% compliant. Some healthcare industry clients say they want to be 100% compliant, but they don't always mean that. If you're a physician in a small clinical practice, you might want to be as compliant as possible and reduce the risk of potential medical board discipline and lawsuits. And as legal counsel, we can help you mitigate those risks. If, on the other hand, you're a healthcare startup, you might be more interested in pushing the industry envelope and keeping up with your competitors. We advise clients like you as well. And some of our large dietary supplement, cosmetics, and medical device clients feel the FDA is just plain evil, like Evil Corp and Mr. Robot. The rules suck. The agency sucks. They aren't going to pay attention. And if they get a warning letter from FDA, well, so be it. At least they're being true to what they believe. Well, we can certainly empathize with these feelings and positions, yet from a risk management perspective, the best quote here might be from the great philosopher Clint Eastwood in Dirty Harry when he says, "Are you feeling lucky?" Don't try to get lucky with FDA. Now let's talk about FDA enforcement and its consequences. As we've said before, FDA can choose not to give you a warning letter and to step up enforcement instead. And even if the FDA gives you a warning letter, it will require you to take huge compliance steps, which well could tank your marketing plans. As well, other enforcement agencies, as well as the private plaintiffs, can piggyback off the FDA warning letter with their own enforcement actions. You should know that FTC's penalties are even more draconian. In a settlement with Skechers USA, the FTC charged that the company made deceptive claims that its sneakers could help consumers lose weight and strengthen and tone various body parts. If only my sneakers could. According to the FTC, those claims lack substantiation by randomized controlled clinical trials. The settlement, $40 million. Last, some high danger claims. Here are some of the claims FDA says will likely incur extra enforcement scrutiny. Claims that the product is clinically proven. Claims about the evidence, and the evidence does not meet FDA's or FTC's rigorous criteria above. Claims about expected results. Claims about mechanism or scientific process. So for example, before you put on your product website clinically proven and fly an airplane around the sky with those words on it, take a pause and realize that you are upping the likelihood of federal enforcement. And if you think you're making things better by proclaiming all the scientific benefits of your health and wellness product, you might actually be making things worse. If you cannot back up these claims by competent and reliable scientific evidence, FDA could find a substantiation issue. The more you try to explain the mechanism of action, how ingredient X causes result Y, the greater the potential gap between your explanation and what FTC requires for you to substantiate that claim. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, click on the link below, CohenHealthcareLaw.com, contact, to send us a message or book us an appointment. Here's to the success of your healthcare venture. We look forward to working with you soon.